Till I die. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. I'm here. Wowzer. What just happened? Oh! What happened? I need to post this all over for y'all. How's everybody's week so far / weekend? Is it crazy that I kind of already want the week to be over? Like, not gonna lie. I have, like, legitimately slim to no urge to trade at all this week. I hate trading monthly closes. I didn't even know that there was a CAD CPI. I have no idea. Was there a CAD CPI or was that last week? YouTube live here. Boom, boom. Live on YouTube. Bum, bum, bum. I want a long crypto. I want to go long on crypto. Live. Bruh. Dude, I'm fried like a potato. I'm not like cooked like that way, but like I'm just like my body's baked right now. I was sunbathing all weekend. I was literally just outside tanning too. Oh, my jug is steaming hot. How is everybody? Did you guys trade anything today? I think the whole market looks like doggy. I'm like not a fan of anything. The only thing that I'm looking at is Bitcoin and ETH. And potentially oil. Moving into June. Remember how I said that I like oil on the monthly? Look at how we're going to have the close off of the monthly candle. This looks so strong. And then if we move into the rest of the week, this SMT still holding, taking out this high already. So I'm looking for a trade entry on this. Maybe not tomorrow, but I would want to get a trade on this Thursday or Friday, maybe. But on the monthly, it looks great, and I know I could if we close off, like we're gonna close off inside of this gap, we're gonna go to 86, 86.63. Guys, anything dollar cross, I really do not care to look at. Like, I really do not want to look at any of this shit. I don't know what you want me to say on it. I literally am just looking at prices just drop to these lows. I have no push or interest in touching any of these. Nothing dollar cross looks good to me. Like, literally, I hate all of this. If dollar wants to move up and trade back higher into the range, then sure, we could see some downwards pressure on EU and GU, but like I could care, I literally could care less about trading any of these this week. It's the end of the month and we're closing the monthly candle. Like I literally like don't. I would not even recommend trading any of this shit. Like we have 3 days left of the month. Do you really think that we're gonna get anything crazy on price delivery? No. This is where I always say, like, you should not be looking to trade every single day of the week or even week of the month. This is the only thing that I want to see. I already... Oh my God. What looks good about GA? Do you want me to give you a simple ICT-based strategy? Go on my YouTube and look at my Forever model. There you go. That's the easiest model I think that's ever out there. I need a Zen for that. Now, for these questions, now I need a Zen. SMT for oil, gasoline futures. You could literally make a living just using the strategy that I've given on my YouTube. You want to go trading full time? There you go. I gave you the blueprint. Ready? Top watches, oil on the monthly, and then Ethereum and Bitcoin. Other than that, nothing. Like, bro, fuck, if ETH could, like, hold this inside of this daily gap, this is, like, the model in itself. Like, we hold this SMT inside a higher time frame key level, and then tomorrow's delivery, we move to the highs, the external range. And this would be my last trade of the month. Other than that, I could care less what price does on anything else. Like, we close above this, change the date of delivery, use it as an order block, price moves higher to 39.76. No, I don't like EA or GA. There's no SMT. And no, I don't think that it's going to go from this gap to this low because it already traded from this gap to this low. So we already took out the external range liquidity, so why would we go back into the gap that it was already traded into and then go back down again? I saw so many of these people trading this and putting it on Twitter with this being the external range and this being the internal. Like, you're wrong. That trade was invalid and it wasn't even a good trade. Like, that's not even internal range liquidity. Oh yeah, I'm happy that you like the I'm happy you like the channel. Dude, today was a good day to lay outside and take in the tan. Hold on, let me look at the weather this week. It's actually crazy. I'll show you guys. Like, I really do not want to trade. Like, this is this is immaculate. Hold on. Hey, look at the weather this week. Oh, yeah, my bad. I got you. Not a single day of rain. Fantastic. ZB1. Explanation point. ZB1. Explanation point. ZB1. Where are we at here? Where did it go? There you go. And go. It looks like it's going from this weekly gap to these lows. It did, well actually, this was a monthly sell model. It did trade up into this monthly premium gap after taking these external range lows. So if I had to give you some sort of assumption, after price closed off this bullish gap here, and we closed off this gap here, this should sell and just continue down lower, as it has been for months. So using that to draw lower, back down. Oh, this is also a flat body. Oh, is it a flat body though? No. I think that it just goes back down to the 107.05. My watch. Oh, you're in Manhattan, bro? Oh, I'm in Hoboken. I'm not in New York. I'm right outside of Hoboken. I'm right outside of New York. I could never live in New York. I think Hoboken's the perfect balance. I love Hoboken, but I want to get out of here eventually. I think next year, I'm staying for another year, and then I'm gonna move the following. I still don't know where I want to move yet, though. That is still a mystery. Yeah, bro, and every single weekend from this point on, I'm literally gonna be at the Jersey Shore. That's where I was at all weekend. Yes, I'm Italian. I will literally be at Jenks, DJ's, Parker House, and Osprey all summer. Bro, is there only one video on your channel named the Forever Model? Yes. I'm 25. But every single trade that I put on my channel replicates the same model. Like the video that I'm at tomorrow is going to be on a swing trade that I took for GBP JPY. Dude, this better fucking come back and give me an entry or I freak out. No. No parking in Hoboken is right. Yo, I'm not even joking with you, bro. You want to see no parking? Dude, I have like a fuck you amount of money and of tickets that literally just got thrown at me. Of course, Bitcoin. Fucking piece of shit. I think since I've moved here, bro. Hold on. I have more. Since I've moved to the city, I have had like 11 tickets. And this is like less than a year's time. I think I probably paid like $600 in tickets in less than a year. Just from parking. Because these stupid street cleaners come down the street every like 2 days and I have to run outside my house and move my car before like this little midget like 3-wheel go-kart driving bitch gets out and slaps a ticket on my thing because of the street cleaner. So annoying. No, she does not like me at all. She wrote on the note that I was harassing her because I was screaming. Oh, wait, my bad. AJ, what'd you say? If we are bullish and price takes out previous weekly high, will you continue to look for a buy for that week? Like you can see on ETH. So we did not. We took out. Well, I'm basically looking at this as price respecting the daily rather than the weekly. I don't want to see like if I'm looking at the weekly chart. We did take out previous weekly high, which is fine, but the daily is showing me bullish PD race to support inside of. So I'm using this as my reference point just to use Monday's high as an objective point. Like I would like this to be a Tuesday low of week, open low, high close weekly candle. So that would be like the most idealistic view, and looks so far like we're getting good hourly close right now on ETH, and we have a decent close on Bitcoin too, with the SMT here and a sweep of the low and a close above this high here. So like I would love to see this move up while Bitcoin is also still inside of this daily bullish fair value gap in this mitigation block. Like I want to see this go, like run. That's the only thing that looks good to me. Other than everything else looks like dog. Best prop firm for swing trading. I like My Flash Funding. Crypto Fund Trader is good. I'm rocking with one of them. I'm rocking with both of them right now. I use Audacity Capital. They're good. Those three still bullish on indices and crypto. I'm not really trading indices. The one trader in my group, Nick, does futures. He does intraday trades, and I just kind of go off of his place and just like follow him during our live streams. Cheaper than parking lot in Hoboken. Yeah, parking lot in Hoboken is expensive. I'm lucky that I have. Can you answer? Yeah. Where is? Yeah, that was the answer to the question. Rich Matt. How can I be like you? Trade the forever model. Just trade that, brother. No, she is my exit liquidity. That's fact. Please. She and my cousin. I swear. I'm getting pranked. Is this a flat body? Okay, good. It's not. Thank you. Yeah, where are my mods at? Divergence at the top on crypto not strong enough. Where? There's no divergence at these highs. See? They're corresponding highs. And there's no... The only SMT that we have here actually... Here, hold on. Where is it? Even these highs here, this high and this corresponding high, there's no SMT. I think that we easily go here. Yes, that is true. Have I been asked to be on Riz's pod? No, I have not. I don't think he's in New York or around here. But I'm busy. Like I don't feel like doing that sort of stuff. Like I have other things to do. Can you talk about CSD, please? Do you look at... No, I don't care about the wicks. I care about the body closure. Like, we're about to have a closure in the next 2 minutes. How do you trade the daily to 1 hour? I trade everything. Like, monthly to daily. I trade weekly to 4 hour, daily to 1 hour. And there's no specific... that I'm like, okay, this one's better than the other, because there's not. This is oil and gasoline futures. Yes, I answer off of the CSD. Sometimes I answer off of the smart money reversal that creates the ITL tail. Forever model is the forever model is higher time frame SMT and higher time frame key level tag in an internal range liquidity pool, and then you drop to your aligned time frame, and then you wait for an intermediate term low to be set in, and then the reaction after that higher time frame key level tag, price retracing into a down close candle that takes out liquidity and creates SMT, and then you long it. If you're bullish. The videos are all over my YouTube. Why are flat body lows considered inefficiencies? Because there's inefficient price in that area. So like see how like this wick delivers buy side and sell side because it goes up and then down. If there's no wick, where is There was no price being offered there. Like there's not. This is just an empty gap. It's like an imbalance, but instead of an imbalance, it's just a flat top high of a candle. So price is typically drawn to it like a magnet. What is happening? Do I trade... Wait, say that again? That was a pretty good close. That wasn't too bad. Wait, when is CPI this week? Is it tonight for AUD? Never seen a channel that explains something like you. Bro, it's not even like it's a difficult thing for me. I just know exactly what I want. I feel like if the person that you're following, they can't explain what they know or like what they look for like this, like then I think that they're faking everything. Like I honestly could describe to you and cite everything that I look for in price in the span of 15 seconds and sounds like I just did like crack. Because I've been doing this for so long and I don't go outside of my entry model checklist at all. And I don't care what price does unless I get exactly what I need it to do. And also, if I didn't know exactly what I want or exactly how to trade, then I wouldn't be able to do this full time. Like I literally, before I was outside live and I tweeted, I was laying outside of my front porch. Doing nothing. Absolutely nothing. Yeah, no, I'm hold on a sec. When you don't see SMT, what am I doing? I do nothing. I don't like gold or silver. Weekly profile. I don't need it. Don't care for it. Set an alert at that order block. Will I do a video teaching on how to get girls? That's gonna come when I do kick streams, bro. I'm gonna do it. Yeah. Look at that. Look at what I bought. Hold on. Look at what I bought. I'm gonna walk. I'm gonna do like IRL stream, and I'm just gonna walk around with one of these Johns. And I'm just gonna have this clipped to like the guinea tea. Oh, like such a douchebag. I'm not even kidding. I told a girl this weekend to Google me. I'm definitely gonna take a shot off the daily chart for oil for sure. Can you mark off the long-term low on ETH? Smart money reversal on Bitcoin. So the intermediate term low that I'm labeling is this. And then on the daily, that is the low that was created on the daily internal range liquidity pool. Or you could look at it this way. This being a long-term low, and then price will push up, continuing in our market maker buy model. And then you could use like mitigation blocks, these up close candles, drag them out since this is on the sell side of the curve, moving into the buy side. And watch structure play out in regards to our drawn liquidity. And if you want to look at it in this way, this would be the intermediate term low, and this is the long term low that we created SMT with, like here, like that. Kind of look at it in two different ways. I'm doing good, guys. Do you ever trade 1 hour market maker models, or do you stick to higher? I trade 1 hour market maker models. I trade 1 hour models based off of the daily key level reactions. Like the daily needs to tag an internal range liquidity pool and create SMT inside of it like it did on ETH. And then I need to see a reaction on the hourly chart. Like if I had to give you guys a recommendation, I would want to see price have more energy off of this daily gap, like push up a little bit more and like maybe close above, or like have this is a down close, this is an up close candle here. Like if we can get above this and start seeing like an hourly bullish fair value gap form, that would give me some interest. Or like if we held this breaker block on Bitcoin and watch price continue from here, and then have like up close candle here, mitigation block area potentially, up close candle here, PD raise form inside of this, anything like that. And then that would be clear confirmation for like accumulation or reaccumulation in a market maker bond model to the highs from daily internal to external range. Pickle trades exactly like me, but he just does the like internal to external range liquidity. I think that he just doesn't the SMT. I don't see a lot of like enforcement of SMT on his side. SMT is like the biggest factor for me because that indicates all of my trades. Am I longing ETH? I'm looking to long it. I'm going to get internal to external range liquidity tattooed on me somewhere. I'm going to get it tatted on my hand. On my knuckles. IRL. The body would be the tag for me. What prop firms am I using? Audacity Capital, Breakout, Crypto Fund Trader, MyFlash Funding, MyFunded Futures, Apex, Elite Trader Funded, and Bespoke too. Oh my god.
You playing Minecraft.
I like
your cut.
G. NZD CAD. Oh, look, Vig. Oh, this body, by the way, this body. But I'm still going to be paying attention to this up close candle to see if we could just push up aggressively from here. I want to see it for an hourly bullish for value gap. Like, I want to see a gap form. I want to see this move. Like, that would be great if we could just rip. That would be fantastic. That would be fantastic. All right, now you said Vig, you said NZD CAD. What is going on here with these? I do not like it. See, I don't like any of these. I think the monthly candle's done. I mean, I would assume that it would be going to this high. I just don't know. Like, I have no interest in this. What do you... There's SMT at the lows and the highs. Wait, no, there's not even SMT here. You want price lower, Vig? Vig, are you looking for lower prices? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. This is kind of scary. Maybe we see how tomorrow goes. Just don't know. It's a little sketch. I don't like the SMT at the highs. Don't really know. What is tonight again? AUD CPI? Right? Okay. AUD CPI. Dude, like, in my personal opinion, the monthly candle is capped. Like, I don't know where this wants to go. Like, do you think you can tell me right now where this is, where this is clearly moving to right now? Like, 2 weeks ago, we just ran the highs here, and now the weekly is consolidating back-to-back weekly inside candles. And now the daily is just doing this. I have no idea what this wants to do. Like, I have no idea. I feel like this is just... At this point is when I look at the chart, and that's why I haven't, like, posted anything, or I don't even really care for this trading week. This is me just forcing something that's not there. Like, I literally do not care about this because it's not clear on the daily. I need to see something perfectly clear within the first 10 seconds of looking at the chart on the daily, the weekly, or the monthly. And if there's nothing clear, I do nothing. Like, I literally do not give a fuck what this does at all. I can't give you an honest answer because my confidence is zero. I can't tell you exactly what this is doing. And this doesn't look good here either. Like, if I had to give you any sort of idea, I would say lower. I'm sorry, Vig. Only because the SMT at the highs and there's no SMT at the lows here. I mean, I don't know. I can't trade it personally because it doesn't have any sort of alignment with me, and it's just external to internal range. Like, if AUD CAD dropped, then that would mean that NZD CAD would draw into this internal range liquidity pool, and then I would touch it. Like here. That's what it kind of looks like. If AUD CAD draws down to 90, not 9482, and then NZD CAD 83416, I can't, that's like the only thing that I could see. Institutional order flow? You mean just like higher time frame order flow? That's just in alignment with higher time frame key level tags. Or institutional order flow entry drill is what you're talking about. Let me know that. Oh, like this looks deadly. How many trades do I take in a week? It depends. Depends on what month out of the year it is. It depends on what week out of the month it is, or what day of the week. My trades are at its highest frequency during Q2 and Q3 at the second or third week of every month. Inside of Q2 and Q3. I would say it ranges between 2 to 3 trades a week. And that's on hourly and 4-hour entries. I'm thirsty as hell. What's your higher? Wait, what? Hold on. What is this? What's your high time frame for intraday trading in terms of drawn liquidity bias? I don't know what that means. Do you look SMT everywhere? SMT on the higher time frame is your first step, and then if you have it on the higher time frame, then you will have it on the intermediate term perspective. That is my view and what I look for with SMT. Higher time frame tags, that's daily, weekly, or monthly gaps, like fair value gaps, or runs on old highs and lows. What's my favorite pair to trade? I trade everything. I don't have a specific favorite. Last month, my favorite pair was CAD crosses, but this month has not been CAD crosses. I haven't touched CAD in a minute. This month has actually been the yens, the JPYs. We just pulled, I think me and another member of the Discord or a couple other people caught like 400 pips on GBP JPY. That was what was going to be my trade breakdown. Like literally this whole move was what we caught. Like literally swinging from this gap all the way to this external range high. No, I closed it. Literally closed 400 pips. Remember we were talking about this? I mean, if you guys were active on this like last week, this was actually disgusting. Like probably one of my best trades. Like filthy. What are my thoughts on college? It's a scam if you're not going for like medical school, engineering. Yeah, really, that's it. Medical, engineering, or like lawyer. Other than that, it's a scam. You don't need college. But like I went and I actually, yeah, no, it's a scam. It's a scam. But would I be lying if I said that college wasn't like one of the best times of my life? Like it was so fun. Like literally so fun. I have a question for us. News. We look for high impact news days, but do we enter anywhere during the day a bit before? It depends on what the news event is. Like CPI I can enter before. FOMC I don't. I wait until after. And NFP I wait till after. I don't enter before either of those trading days. Any other news event day that's red folder I can execute before. Just not FOMC and not NFP. Guys, The dollar crosses like EU and GU, I do not like at all, man. Not a fan. Not a fan. Unless we could see price draw down into like one of these lows here. Looks bearish to me if dollar wants to push higher. But like again, I don't care for these right now. Tips on trading while you're working full time. Get into swing trading. So where you can execute on the hourly and the 4 hour, and you don't need to worry about intraday price moves. You need to have SMT on the higher time frame to confirm your trades on the lower time frame. What did I study in college? Bro, you guys would never guess this. I studied community and environmental planning. Community and environmental planning, bro. I wanted to be an engineer, and then I couldn't do math. I literally failed, I failed pre-calc, I think 3-4 times. And throughout all of my college, I honestly think I cheated on every single test I ever had. I don't even know. Like legitimately every single test that I had, I cheated on. And homework too. I had no idea what I was doing in college. I literally was there to drink, and that's it. And then after I got done college, I found out about trading when COVID hit. What up, Uncle Tom? How we doing, brother? Yeah, bro. Like that's just my input about college. I had no interest in any of that, and I found out so later on what I wanted to do. Truthfully, I'm good, brother. You looking at anything clean this week? Hope you had a good weekend, too. Yeah, webinar was recorded. You'll get it into your email eventually today. I was tapped into the markets after college. Like, COVID hit, I didn't have a graduation, and I found out about options trading back in 2020, and that's when I made a big chunk of my money off the rip, and then I got into foreign currencies. That's fire. I'm assuming you're not done for the week, right? I don't really have an interest in trading this week since it's a short 4-day week. Oh, so now we're gonna be shorting the shit out of USD. What news is tomorrow? Oh, we don't have news tomorrow. Thursday and Friday. Tomorrow is EU news. We have AUD CPI tonight. Someone wants Euro NZD and GBP NZD. Euro NZD and GBP NZD. And GBP NZD. What do you got cooking here? Did this tap a gap? I hate trading these pairs, man. How does it look on the 4 hour? This is obviously the weaker one. Okay. It's not bad. Kind of disgusting, but eh. If this continues or if they have strong 4 hour closes, look for it in Asia for it to continue higher. But prioritize longs on GBP NZD if you're going to touch it. That's my opinion. Question: if CAD future is bearish and GBP future is bullish, so if CAD futures are bearish and GBP is bullish, then GBP CAD would be bullish. That would be long. What forex pairs are correlated with USDX? You mean like USD XXX? So you would use the dollar index. Like USD JPY, use the dollar index. USD CAD, dollar. Yeah, Brandon's got it too. I want to ask you something, for example, if price is in a daily fair value gap, but it hasn't closed as the daily, so there's no SMT in the daily and the hourly. No, I'm not, because there's nothing on the higher time frame. I need that first. Oh yeah, Tom. No, I'm not rushing into that, but I do think that it can go lower, for sure. Yeah, you guys got it. I want to see ETH push up higher and hold this gap and this low. I want to see this low potentially be the low of the week. And I want Bitcoin to push up. Hopefully can get above this up close candle. And I want to see some sort of fair value gap form. Like, I want some displacement higher. But I want this to be the low of the week. And price to drive from here. If it wants to dig lower and tap the order block, it can. But I want movement here. What pair do I hate the most? I think you guys already know that. Anything CHF. Despise. EA and GA. They weren't on my watch. Dude, CHF pairs are like the bane of my existence. I stopped touching them after I got my heart broken by USD CHF. Hold on, where is that? Let me get like some eye cancer really quick. No. It was CAD CHF. Was that what we looked at? Oh God, this thing was horrible. It was this week too. It was this week when I was long here, and then the next week stopped me out by like a couple pips, and then drove like 100. That was like my worst nightmare. I remember seeing that and talking about that on the live. That was actually the worst day of my life. That would have been like one of my biggest trades too. Can I explain the relationship between crosses and normal pairs? You're talking about exotics, right? Exotics move when dollar's consolidating. Dollar consolidation allows exotic pairs to move. I'm definitely going to pay close attention to oil, though, up and coming. This monthly close looks actually beautiful. I have really no interest on Euro CAD and GBP CAD. The CAD crosses I'm pretty much done with. I just gave you like kind of like a little analysis of what I thought was going to happen with AUD CAD. Like I think it's probably going to drop lower. Most likely to 94.82. I mean, I'll look at it really quick for Euro CAD and GBP CAD. I didn't see them at all. Yeah, see, like, these have already done their job. Ever since EuroCAD took out the highs, the relative equals here, and GBP CAD last week taking out these highs at 173,476. Like the only thing that I would say is lower prices on these, on all of these CAD crosses. Well, this is Solana, my bad. Take it easy, Tom. I'll talk to you later, brother. Hopefully we can slam some smooth sells. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. How you doing, Rick? Yeah, oil looks like a send. Like a send. This definitely could be good. I already... GA and EA are not on my roster. What's up, Brody? Do I still use quarterly theory? I do not. I have now developed a system that I don't really need anything else from this point on. What do... Oh. What are indices doing? Holy, what is going on here? What are they doing? This is crazy. 15-minute. Did this create SMT2? No, it did not. Wow, this is disgusting. Look at that hourly. Look at the 4 hour. Holy. That's insane. That is insane. Ugh. I have a full breakdown of my system. It's on my YouTube. I can't really go over it too much right now because I'm about to cut it. I have to pick up my roommate. My roommate working a 9 to 5. I just wanted to kind of check in on you guys just to see what was going on. I got a YouTube video tomorrow that will be on my swing trade of GBP JPY. This from this internal range to this external range liquidity pool at 205.48. That was easily one of the most insane trades I've ever caught. But it's just going to be an overview of like how to like properly swing trade and confidently hold trades to higher time frame external range targets. But yeah. Yeah, no. Go on my channel, look up check the Forever model, and then like basically any trade breakdown that I have posted all replicates and looks the same. Do I trade personal or funded? I trade both. But yeah, no, I don't need quarterly theory anymore. But yeah, that was pretty much it. I wanted to just check in with you guys, see how you guys were doing for the week, and if you had anything special on the charts. But like for me personally, I don't think anything looks good besides what I want for higher prices on Ethereum and oil. I'll probably make an Instagram reel, just like a little top-down, little analysis breakdown of what I'm looking at, what I want, and what to expect. But I gotta go pick up my roommate that's stuck in the Matrix still. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your day. And if you're trading tonight for AUD CPI, good luck. I'll do another YouTube live tomorrow, and then I'll do a kick stream that night. And YouTube video will be posted tomorrow at 10:45, like always. But that's pretty much it. Be safe, everybody.
Playing Minecraft.
Have a good
I like it good, G.
rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys all later on. Much love, guys. Be safe.